Hey guys, welcome back to the PB Racing YouTube channel. Today we will be building a K20A2 head. This is one of my friend's car. He have a EP3 with a K24K20, and he is still running a stock head with some skunk 2 cam and 13.5 compression Wiseco piston. So we need to get some better valve train in there. So we'll be using some FERRA valve. These are 6000 series, and some SUPERTECH valve spring. That's what I'm running in the ice cap, the 8 gen. So I think it will be pretty good for him. And but before we do that, just want to give you a little update on the ice cap. So everything is put back together there. Put the fender, the light, put the hood back with some hood pin, and in the interior, cage is fully done. Everything is nice and painted. One of my friends came by and painted the whole interior of the car, so that look pretty nice. So I put the dash back, put a big RPM, because last year I wasn't running any RPM in there, so I needed that. Put a steering wheel with a quick release, so that's all good. See this back with the seat mount, the seat belt, or oh, look at that there. So that's pretty nice. Yeah, that's about it for the ice cap. So let's start to work on this head. So guys, check this out. I just want to show you how easy it is to remove those valve spring with just this little tool. It's a blue point. You have a hole in the middle, and there's some magnet in there. So just use this like that, whack it with a hammer, and boom, your spring is out, and the two little keepers are inside there. So the hardest thing to do is to remove the keeper from there, and you can do more than one at a time, so it does save a lot of time beside the big clamp that you put and squeeze the valve spring. So yeah, sometimes there's only one that goes out, so just whack it another time, and boom, it's out. You can do the other one just like so. The other one. So like in a matter of 1 minute, I just did 4. So that's a pretty easy job. And yeah, the hardest thing is to go get those keeper inside the tool because of the magnets. And it's almost the same thing to put it back together, but you just put this and in there. Well, I will do it at the end because I just have to grind this a little bit. Yeah, so we'll not do it now, we'll just continue to remove those strings. And sometimes if they don't want to go out, just have to put a rag under the valve so the valve don't go down. because sometimes they are stuck in there, mainly when you run big spring, so in a matter of 3 minutes, did remove a 8 spring, so that's pretty good. And yeah, like I told you, this head is going on the all motor EP3 with the high compression K24. So we'll try to link a video right there of a old dyno that we did. And just keep in mind that in that dyno, it was the old setup with the 12.5 compression. Now we are at 13.5, so a little bit more compression. And that video was on pump 91. So if you want to go check that, it's just a little dyno video, but still good to see. So yeah, like I told you, the hardest thing is to remove the keeper from the tool. Just need a little pick and try to dig them out. And it's mainly because of the magnet, but that what's take the keeper out. So just like so. Remove those two. And boom. All the springs are removed. So now the next thing to do is to remove the valve seal, because we will change the valve, not valve seat, but the spring seat. We will put the SUPERTECH one. We have some brand new valves, so it's good to put some new valve seal in there. So just like that, all the valves are removed, so that's a pretty convenient way to remove the spring. And when you put them back together, just put the two little keeper in there, and this thing is spring loaded, so it does push on the keeper. Just put a little pressure and whack it with the hammer, it goes right in. So that's how you do this. And just a little inspection under there. We'll try to look at the valve seat, see if they all look good. Oh. All of the intake one look pretty good. All the exhaust one look good. So we just need to run a little bit of a valve compound, do a little lapping of the valve, and everything will be good in there. And guys, another thing I forgot to mention about the ice cap, the 8-gen. I just got a set of straight cut gears. It's not a dog box, it's a synchro set, but it will help to put the power down a lot this year, because a dog box is pretty expensive, and I'm not a rich guy. I'm working a lot to try to put some money in that car. And yeah, that's about it. So we'll just do a little lapping job on the valve, and then we'll put it back together. Yeah, so guys, here you have it, how to put together a K20 head. And like I told you, with this tool, it's a Blue Point, it's a GA317. It's a very convenient tool and very easy to use. So if you like that video, give a like and please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.